Vijay Diwas is like celebrating the victory which we won in Kargil to re-render our pride to the soldiers who took part in Operation Vijay. This, like how it all started, first Kargil war happened in 1947, which lead to LOC, Line of Control, a border which divide India and Pakistan. It was going on normally, and in 1972, a Shimla agreement has been made. In agreement stated that for 2 months, because Kashmir is a cold region, right? It has -degree temperature. For that period, both the countries will be moved back to their quarters and won't be staying in that. Because it's too cold and it's like dangerous situation over there. So for that 2 months, they have to move back. The 2 months have came, Indian soldiers move back to their quarters, Pakistani soldiers move back to their quarters. But actually what happens, right? Pakistani soldiers haven't moved back. They have just showcased that we are going, but actually they are not. They again came back and started to surprise attacks on Indian outposters. The outposters which were ours, the Napoleon gradually started to take it.
I know many of you are thinking, oh, just we came here to listen the speech. And she is saying us to die for the country. My dear, I know not all of you will get chance to die for your country. Very luckiest people will get chance to die for their country. So, you can't die for your country. At least, please live for your country. Live for your country doesn't mean get up at early morning, eat breakfast, go to school, again eat the lunch. No. Get a good knowledge, good education. Become a doctor, become an engineer, become a good scientist. And say to whole world, India is a great country. Okay? So, you can't live for your country. As a third option, don't blame this country. Because this country gives you everything. A good knowledge.
क्या कर रहे हो?
Thank you.
Now what is celebrated on July 26th?
Feedback about the play and the speeches. The play showed the Kargil war, which showed the sacrifices of our soldiers, and it showed the empathy and the sacrifices which are given by our soldiers. It gives to live for our country and gives us the motivation to not just go on the war side and sacrifice our life, but to live an ordinary life and help the country, like become in any sector. Like if you example, you become an engineer, you should go into the government side and help the poor people. It shows we can, just a soldier can't help the country. The internal people of the economy should also boost the country by doing their welfare to the society. Like good education, after getting good education, we can provide to the needy people of the education and show them the value of what we can become through our hard work.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
First of all, I thank them to give a good information of our mother Thank you to them because they have shared many information and motivated us towards our country. Now I want to share one of their speech that they are saying to us to do good things for our country. But many of us are not willing to do that. But doing good things for our country is more like doing good for ourselves. Just do things for yourself, not for our country. Think that we are doing for ourselves, not for others. Okay. Now I want to share that doing good for our country is more like ourselves. Like helping others is more like helping ourselves. One day that will return to ourselves. Okay, thank you.